Hey guys, this is the Derpy Kitten again. This is like 8 minutes after my last video. And this may sound stupid, but there's another train. Another one. How loud? Why is this so loud? I don't know if it's loud for you though. Last time an engine went by and I was talking, my voice glitched out when I said powerful, and it was like, listen to how powerful that engine is. Oh, these are double stacks. Canadian Tire, that's basically just like an everything store. They have lights to canoes. That's actually going fast. Are they out yet? No. Popcorn. Yeah, I forgot to tell you that, you know, in the last video, how I was showing you everything in our van, I forgot to show you the popcorn. Well, most things in our van. Oh, are you serious? This train's stopping as well. Oh my God. Okay, bye. Aunt is back. See? It has stopped. It's a moving already. Speeding up now. Another engine, I think. Yep. Glitch my voice. So, I'm gonna leave this video here. Derpy Kitten, out.